Duro Dyne is the go-to name in sheet metal necessities. Our innovative Dyna-Tite suspension system provides a fast and strong way to hang ductwork and equipment. Installs faster than traditional threaded rod. Hangers can be positioned vertically or at an angle, and the inherent strength and lightweight wire rope make it safer and easier to work with. The Dyna-Tite family of cable locks, and end fixings are evaluated together and tested to 5 times their listed load by independent laboratories to guarantee field performance. Dyna-Tite wire rope has either 7x7 thread or 7x19 threaded construction with a black and yellow thread running through the center to confirm authenticity. Use only our wire rope with Dyna-Tite cable locks to ensure installation integrity. Dyna-Tite cable locks have sintered steel locking wedges with serrated teeth to engage the wire rope and maximize grip strength. Dyna-Tite cable locks are a fast and reliable way to suspend ductwork and equipment. The release pin allows for simple adjustments without tools. To install, pull the pin back and thread the wire rope into one locking channel. Anchor it. Then pull the second release pin and pass at least 6 inches of wire through the second channel. The wire rope can now be adjusted by sliding the release pins. Before applying load, confirm engagement by pushing the pins and pulling the rope in the opposite direction of the arrows. The fast lock is similar to a standard lock, but has one locking channel and one pass-through channel. To install, thread through the pass-through channel first, then install as normal. Use Dyna-Tite locking cable locks for static loads that could move unexpectedly, such as in gymnasiums. The locking bolt provides additional security. Dyna-Tite also carries specialty brackets. The KV bracket fastens the cable lock to rectangular ductwork or VAV boxes with sheet metal screws. The strut lock assembly is a fast, lockable solution for installing dyno strut in single and multi-tiered arrangements to suspend rectangular duct, chilled beams, cable trays, and unit heaters. To install, use either a standard nut or a strut nut. Hand tighten the strut lock. Push down the release cylinder and insert the cable. Adjust the cable, then tighten the release cylinder nut. End fixings are the attachment devices on the opposite end of the cable from the locks. All Dyna-Tite end fixings are swaged for a secure attachment and available in 5, 10, 15, and 25-foot lengths. Custom lengths are also available. Looped cable assemblies are an easy, reliable form of attachment. Simply hang over the support and run the free end back through the loop. Snap hooks are ideal for applications that require inspection or maintenance by removing loads from the ceiling. Eyelets attach wire rope to a support structure. To install, screw the eyelet into a secure surface, available with 1/4 inch or 3/8 fasteners, and in straight, 45-degree, and 90-degree versions. The 90-degree angle bracket with drive pin attaches to concrete, steel, or composite metal decking and comes pre-assembled with WC2 or WC3 wire rope. Toggles are the easy way to establish a fixed end through a hole. Simply push through and let the toggle expand. Dyna-Stud is a heavy-duty threaded stud attached to aviation-grade cable. When used with strut lock, Dyna-Stud replaces labor-intensive threaded rod installations. Quick twists are mounted fasteners that provide attachment points for steel threaded rods and other assemblies. They are compatible with Dyna-Stud products. Beam clamps give you another option for anchoring Dyna-Stud. Thread the stud into an expansion anchor to make a safer, tighter connection. The rapid drop-in deck hanger installs in concrete-filled metal deck assemblies and hangs down for easy installation of a 3/8 inch Dyna-Stud. The Dyna-Tite starter kit has everything you need to begin hanging lighting, ductwork, or equipment. The kit includes a 500-foot spool of wire rope, 100 cable locks, a convenient bucket with a custom cable counter, and a cable cutter. And now, introducing Dyna-Tite equipment suspension kits. Choose your end fixing, cable length, lock style, and a hanger accessory to build your own kit. Get what you need at the scale you need. Dyna-Tite will package all items and provide the pack quantity you need for your project. No need to order bulk for a small project. Contact your local Duro Dyne distributor and ask about our equipment suspension kits.